This is a different in colored sand where I mix iron oxide into it. This is the natural color of sand. When it dries out, it's going to be that. Sandy beaches is going to be like that. But if we put these as shoreline, as sandy beaches with that color, it doesn't sort of, how would you say?
Match.
It doesn't match. So I have to add a little bit of color in it, but I think I could have added too much onto it. So we just give it a good old mix, you know, and a little bit of yellowing. So I don't need that much, but I've mixed too much again, as per normal. But my policy is always, I'd rather have too much than not enough. But I don't think this is way too much anyway. So my policy, whether it's my policy or it doesn't hold or holds, it's just a whole lot of, it's just me. Yeah, that color is a bit better now, duller. Okay. Now, the decision comes in this, okay? Where the current flows, where the current flows, where the shorelines will be, where the sandy beach will be, where the clear beach will be. So that's where it is. All right, we'll put it together in a minute. Okay. The shoreline, and this is the glue I use. As Dean says, it might fade off. Yes, it does, but it's so simple to apply, and you just apply it, and it works really well. Lost that thing there. So basically, what you do is you spread it out thinly, and you can create the jaggedness with whatever you want to do. And this a lot got to do with the flow of the current, you know, where the current is going. So you got to understand that. So this is almost set already. It's curved, but it hasn't set. So basically, once you do that, you get your sand in, and you just sprinkle on it. I know this is a lot of things that a lot of people won't show you how it is done, but there is no secret these days. I want everybody to learn, and that's my job, to teach so that people can learn. So that's done. We'll create one shoreline now. We're going to go on to the next shoreline. So basically, this is where the current should end. We're going to create something here. Do this first. See how effective it is on the shoreline? I've just given away everything again, didn't I? This is too level, too not jagged enough. So you can create that by cutting it or scraping it off. If you're not happy with certain area, you just scrape it off, redo it again. not happy with that one there. So basically put a bit more and create some jaggedness or whatever it is that you want to create. Okay, now we're in business. See, that looks better? You just add on, and add on, and add on, whatever you want to do. Just keep adding. This is the final bit. See where all the shoreline's been created, the sandy beach has been created. But of course we add some iron oxide in there because of the redness of the thing, so you can't have grey or white sands in there. So that was a problem before, but no longer a problem, because once we do that, that's it. It's sort of blended in quite well, and so we create that shoreline and the sandy beaches, because the way we do it is because the current flow is coming in through here, so we do everything according to the way where the current is. So that's how it is done. Of course this is done now. We haven't put the trees on, we haven't put the ornaments on, what we call the jewelries on, and we also haven't added on the makeouts, which means we're going to have some moss here and there to show a bit green, and then maybe put a tree on. But it looks quite good as it is without even a thing. So, but this is not final. We can't move it, we can't anything, because it takes about 24 hours, 10 to 24 hours to set. So we'll show the final bit later on. Well, this is the final bit. With all the makeouts and the jewelries added onto it, and I'll do a few close-up shots and you can see all that. So all the moss are in, everything's in. There's a fleet of boats at the back coming home. There's a bridge there, there's a couple of pergolas, and a man on the raft coming home. So, and the shores are now beautifully, they're all done. There you go. This is the final. Okay, thank you.